In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to the new record function found within any platform in the BravoZone. I happen to be in a Spark session, which is predominantly a self-paced learning session. So I'm going to create a presentation, maybe consisting of a lot of PowerPoint slides or images, and I want to narrate it so people can learn and then take some interactive questions throughout the session. My first slide here is going to be exactly that. Just remember, the slide is a way you can import a slide from PowerPoint or use an image. I already have an image imported, and it looks like this. So it kind of has that PowerPoint look to it, some bullet points, an image, and I want to go ahead and record this so it becomes a self-paced session, just like if I was presenting this in the classroom. To add audio, I'm going to click on the Add Audio feature, click Record, and you'll see now a preview of your content to the right and the record buttons, which are very simple, to the left. Simply click on Start. You have up to 5 minutes of audio you can insert per instance. Go ahead and record. Once you are satisfied or have completed the recording, go ahead and click Stop. You can preview that recording here. If you like it, give it a name. I'm going to call this Diabetic 2 and click on Keep. And now that audio file has been attached to this slide. So in presentation mode, the audio will automatically play on its own. I'm going to hit Save. Now I have a question. However, maybe you don't want to do it for the question and the answers themselves, but you have preview and summary slides. For example, if you're in Quiz Show or one of the game formats, you can set up a question with a preview slide. So let's say I want to use that diabetic scenario for a question. Just go to the preview, and I happen to have that same image right here. Click on Add Audio, and you're going to go ahead and repeat the same process. So now the audio will play right here, right on top. The audio automatically starts as soon as the slide appears on screen. And you'll notice that the playhead disappears now until you hover over it. Well, that's it. Any place you can import audio, you can record audio. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.